In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Outlook desktop shortcut for PC. If you've ever found yourself hunting through menus to open Outlook, this quick setup will save you time every day. First, click the search bar on your Windows desktop. You'll usually find it near the Start button at the bottom of your screen. Type Microsoft Outlook and watch for the desktop app to appear in the results. Make sure you select the Outlook application, not a web shortcut. Once you see it in the list, you're ready to create a shortcut where it's most convenient for you. You have two easy options: pin it to Start or pin it to your taskbar. To do this, right-click on Microsoft Outlook in the search results. You'll see a menu with Pin to Start and Pin to Taskbar. Choose the one you prefer. If you select Pin to Start, Outlook will appear in your Start menu. So when you click the Start button, you'll see Outlook prominently placed among your apps. This is a great choice if you like to keep your taskbar clean, but still want quick access from the Start menu. You can also move it around in the Start area to position it exactly where you want. If you select Pin to Taskbar, Outlook will appear as an icon along the bar at the bottom of your screen. This is perfect if you open Outlook frequently and want one-click access at all times. You can drag the icon left or right on the taskbar to place it in the order that makes sense for you. If you ever notice the option says unpin instead of pin, that just means it's already pinned. Both options work the same way when you're ready to launch Outlook. Click the icon and you're in. If you don't see Outlook in search, double check that the desktop app is installed on your PC. Sometimes the search might be case sensitive or show web results first, so be sure you're selecting the desktop application. Choose the option that best fits your routine. Pinning to Start keeps things tidy and organized in your menu, while pinning to the taskbar puts Outlook front and center for ultra-fast access. Either way, you'll have a reliable shortcut ready whenever you need to check email, manage your calendar, or jump into meetings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick, practical tips just like this.